Understanding organics. What does it really mean to purchase and eat organic? It's hard to believe that a few short years ago, going organic was a novel market that meant buying pesticide-free fruit and vegetables. But boy, have times changed. And now the organic product line has grown tremendously. Not only do you have the opportunity to buy organic fruits and vegetables, but you can also buy other things for your home. From organic cotton, we have the opportunity to purchase bedding for our homes that's organically made. From the wool and fabric, we have the opportunity to get organic clothing. In order to clean your house, organic cleaning agents are created, things like Greenworks. You can wear organic cosmetics and toiletries. And yes, for your little one, you can get them those organic diapers. If you're like me, you've wondered what the hype was all about. And in doing some research, I've composed this series to give you basic knowledge to help you become an informed consumer. This 3-part series includes defining organics, the meanings behind the label, and how to shop organic. But before we go into those other 2 videos, let's focus on defining what organic means. In order to do so, we have to give the difference between conventional food. I found this really cute cartoon that kind of gets us started. I don't eat any organic foods. At this age, I need all the preservatives I can get. Preservatives are the first difference. Those are the chemicals put in foods to prolong their shelf life. Organic foods don't include those chemicals. Conventional foods also are the regular process of how farmers handle and distribute the foods. Organic, on the other hand, is grown with the intent of preserving the land and do not include any chemical or hazardous materials. Hazardous materials kind of scares people. Don't worry about it. I'm going to tell you exactly what those hazardous materials include. Pesticides, synthetic fertilizers, sewage sludge, genetically modified organisms, and lastly, ionizing radiation. But don't worry, right, mad cow, those things aren't in organic foods. A pesticide is a chemical used to prevent, destroy, or repel pests. Think about it like this. You spray your garden so the bugs won't eat it up. Synthetic fertilizers. They are used to restore fertility and increase crop yields, but they're just man-made mixtures of nitrates, phosphates, and potassium. Sewage sludge. This is the end product of the wastewater treatment process. This usually freaks people out, so I thought I'd give you a little diagram of how this actually works. From your home, goes to a pre-treatment facility, then to the wastewater treatment. From there, it's cleaned to make water. What's left over is the sewage sludge. Sewage sludge is then transferred to a crop and fertilizes the ground so that we can get all of the things that we eat. Genetically modified organisms, they're often called GMOs. They're created for human and animal consumption, but they change the biology, so you can also think about cloned animals, or in this case, the blue strawberry versus the 3 other red ones you see. Hopefully that picture gives you an example of GMO. The last hazardous material is ionizing radiation. This is also called food irradiation, and it's the process of exposing food to radiation to destroy the microorganisms, the bacteria, the viruses, and the insects that may be on the crops as they grow. Keep in mind, none of these things are found in organic food. Organic farmers, on the other hand, focus on renewable resources, things that they can use over again. They make sure that they conserve the soil. They also want to conserve water in their growing, and their overall purpose is to enhance the environmental quality of the land. In addition to these 4 things, organic farmers do not inject their animals with hormones for growth, do not inject their animals with antibiotics, provide their animals with access to outside and are not always always caged, and they provide them with more sufficient transportation. Reminds you of all the chicken stuffed in the truck? Not in organic farmers. Now, who gets the opportunity to don the USDA organic symbol on their products? Well, the person has to follow the specific rules of organic farming. They have to have their farms and products certified by a USDA inspector, and this also includes any companies handling these foods. The USDA is the United States Department of Agriculture, just in case you didn't know. Well, there you have it. That's what organic means. Grown with the intent of preserving the land, doesn't include any chemical agents, and follows specific rules as stated by the USDA. That's what this video is, and the next one will focus on the meaning behind the labels. I hope that this has been a good start for you in introducing you to what organic means.